Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I'll make Bengali style authentic Hilsha fish head and tail with Malabar spinach. I have picked up some fresh Malabar spinach. Malabar spinach is a good source of iron. For making this recipe, I took a small bunch of Malabar spinach. Firstly, I'll wash under the flowing water. Malabar spinach have some dust and impurities, so rinse with water. Then separate the leaves and chop them roughly. Remove the thin layer of the stem. No need to remove the layer of soft stem. Keep aside for later use. Prepare a masala. Grind mustard seed and cumin seed along with green chili into a grinder jar. After half grinding, add little water and blend into smooth paste. I took head and tail of a Hilsha fish. Season the fish with salt and turmeric powder. Sprinkle a teaspoon salt and turmeric powder and rub the fish with masala. Keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add 2 tablespoons mustard oil. After oil is hot, add a pinch salt, then add fish head and tail. Adding salt will help to fry the fish head properly. It will not break. Flip the fish and fry until it's lightly brown. Then take it out, set aside. In the same remaining oil, add quarter teaspoon onion seed, saute for a few seconds, then add Malabar spinach, add a teaspoon salt and turmeric powder. Add the fried fish head and tail. Now reduce the heat and add mustard and cumin paste. Put a lid, cover for 5 minutes over medium to low heat. After 5 minutes, open the lid, mix well. Mix the masala with fish. Stir occasionally so that the fish head and tail will absorb the juice of Malabar spinach. Add little water in the mixture grinder jar. Pour it over the fish. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Don't put a lid. Our Malabar spinach recipe is ready for serving. Serve it with steamed rice. If you like this recipe, like, share.